My pet bird Yoshi and I were separated for about a year due to unfortunate circumstances. Once I had him back home, I noticed that he started plucking his feathers on his back and the back of his wings. The separation was too much stress on him, and he took it out on himself. It wasn't noticed until I got him back, and by then it had become a habit and a way to get attention. So to help him break this bad habit, I am making him a shirt. This will give him something else to pick at when he's feeling anxious, and hopefully his feathers will start to grow back in. I will make sure to remove his shirt every day to check on his raw skin and to let him preen. We will struggle through this together, but at least he can still fly.